there, I'm Simon from Gressingham. We're here at Redgrave in Suffolk, and today I'm going to be showing you how to pan fry duck breast and serve with sauce bigarade or orange sauce. We've already prepared this duck breast. We've created another video showing you how to break down a whole duck, so check that out. From here, I'm just going to show you how to trim it up and get it ready for pan frying. So I'm just going to trim it up slightly. Just don't want to take too much of the skin off because that's all going to shrink as we cook it. We're just going to take off a little bit of this connective here, trying to leave the meat behind. And then we'll just take that off. Take a little bit of this silver skin by going in with the tip of my knife and going across. And then once we have our lovely trimmed up Gressingham duck breast, we just want to score ready for frying. So the main reason for scoring is just to help release that duck fat and keep the skin nice and crispy. I'm not cutting all the way into the meat, I'm just cutting through the top layer of the skin. You can do this many ways. I like to do a nice diagonal score, that's how I like to do it, but you could do crisscross, you could do more, you could do less. So once we're here, this is now ready to pan fry, so we're going to season it and put it into a pan. For the sauce, I've got the ingredients here. So it's a simple pan sauce. We're going to go in with some sugar and some red wine vinegar. Add some duck or chicken stock, let that reduce, and finish with some orange and lemon peel and some orange segments ready to serve along with our duck breast. Okay, here we've come over to the stove, so we've got our duck breast. We're just going to season it up nicely, and then we're going into a relatively cold pan. This will just help us bring it up to temperature, and it will let the duck fat nicely render out nicely. We're going to go onto the heat, about medium heat, and just let that cook. Whilst that's there, I'm just going to season the other side. So here we've got our duck breast that's been cooking for 5 or so minutes, getting a nice colour. We're just going to pour away that excess duck fat and save that to use later. As we flip it, we'll see we've got a nice even colour. It's starting to crisp up. We just want to seal the underside for 30 seconds. Then we're going to go onto a tray and into the oven. So as that's now ready, go onto a tray. I'm going to go into the oven. I've got this set at 180 and we're going to cook for about 6 to 8 minutes. Okay, to make our sauce bigarade or orange sauce, we've got the same pan that we used to cook the duck breast. We're going to add about a tablespoon of soft brown sugar, followed by a tablespoon and a bit of red wine vinegar. Want that to cook and reduce slightly till it's a light caramel, and then we've got our reduced duck or chicken stock ready to go in. As that's already started to reduce and thicken, we're now going to go in with our stock. We're going to bring that up to the boil and let it reduce before we add our other ingredients. So now our sauce is reduced to the consistency we want. We're going to add the fresh orange juice, some orange peel that I'd previously blanched, and a touch of lemon peel as well. Stir that around, check that, and then just before we're ready to serve, we're going to finish it with some fresh orange segments. So yeah, that's good for now. So yeah, whilst the duck is cooking, just checking its internal temperature, and I'm just going to pop that in for a couple more minutes. Okay, so I've just taken the duck breast out of the oven. I like to serve it nice and medium, cooked to 70 degrees. And we've got our sauce here. Before we carve, I'm just going to taste the finish and taste the sauce. So I'm just going to add some fresh orange segments, just add a nice bit of freshness. Give that a taste. I think that just needs a touch of pepper and a tiny pinch of salt, and we're good to go. So, to carve, I like to do nice diagonal slices. Got that lovely nice crispy skin, so we want to keep that as much as possible. Take the end off, and then as we go, nice even slices. We've let this duck breast rest for at least 5 minutes. Just helps let the muscles relax and the meat and the juices move through the meat to give us a nice succulence. You can still see it's really nice and juicy. Just going to take that excess off there. As we go to the plate, just going to fan it out really nice. You can still see it's blush pink. And we're just going to go over with our lovely sauce. This will be great served with some fondant potatoes or duck fat roast potatoes and a nice bit of green veg. And that's a lovely way to serve duck breast with sauce beauregard or orange sauce.